Hello, my name is Juan Raymer. Today we're going to be going over the creation of a new lens calibration using AnyView. When the default window pops up, the first thing you're going to want to do is click the new lens calibration button and click the OK button. When the window pops up, you'll see that you have quite a few options here. The first one I want to go over is the presets. Click the triangle and you can see that we have a whole bunch of preset lens calibrations built in that you can switch between, say 20 LPI or 40 LPI or 60 LPI. Today we're going to do 40 LPI 720 DPI. When you pull up a default lens calibration, it'll automatically fill the window with a whole bunch of calibration strips. Under the Page tab, you'll see that you have several options that allow you to change the width, height, gutter, lens, frames, etc. of the lens calibration. The width is the overall width of the strip, and that would be the entire strip all the way across the page. The height is each individual strip. That's each individual strip all the way down the page. So the multiple of that is the overall height of the entire page. The gutter is how much spacing is between each strip. The lens is obvious, and then the frames is a multiple times the lens, which gives you your resolution, which is 40 times 18 equals 720 DPI. The fill is how many of the views will be solid color. In this case, we have 1/3 of the entire number of frames filled. The pitch sample is what sampling method, what interpolation method will be used to calibrate or to resample each strip to the new resolution. And the color mode, of course, is RGB or CMYK. Under the Options tab, you have the pixel step, which is how many pixels of change there are between each strip. And you have negative and positive steps that go, above and below the flat resolution of 720. The text size is how big your text is going to be, and the checkboxes here allow you to add or remove information from each strip, so that you can have just the information you want on each strip. So let's go ahead, and now that we have gone over these options, let's go ahead and hit the Create button, and it'll ask us to save this pitch, which we're going to call pitch 40 720 DPI, and we'll just save that right on the desktop. And you can see it's going ahead and prepare to render. And once it's complete, we'll just go ahead and close the dialog. And as you can see on my desktop here, I have pitch 40 720 TIFF. Thank you.